bit slower. A little bit. Stop.
When you back up to it, you want your handbrake on. Wind up your corner steadies. Just put your breakaway cable on before you do anything else. That way, if you make a mistake whilst you're doing this, you let your handbrake off and it's not quite on, it won't roll away very far without it engaging your handbrake. So for our car, we've checked the nose weight, it's loaded correctly, and it's at 65. We'll show you how to do that in a different video. So when you're reversing up, you want to make sure this is obviously higher than this. So the tow ball is underneath the hitch head. We just need to jiggle the Caravan a little bit by hand, just to push it over, and then it'll be good to put on. Forward this down, and we're looking for this to pop up. There you go, popped up, handle popped down. I'm going to do it all the way down, and then we're going to take it up, and it should lift the car. As you can see, it's lifting the car, getting some resistance here as we're lifting, and that indicates that it's on. Our Caravan is fitted with the Stabiliser. That's the next thing we're going to put down. It should have a little, not difficult, but there should be some resistance there. That's engaged. So I'm going to wind the wheel up, and these forks need to go into these slots. And the next stage is we're going to loosen the clamp and slide this assembly straight up. Now, if you need to get the wheel as straight as possible, as you can see it underneath, so it's not to interfere with the handbrake, and then this needs to be as tight as possible so it doesn't slide down when you're about to drive off. So the electrics is next. We have a 13 pin plug, as you can see. Now ours comes over one side and then in, which means it won't drag on the floor. So with these, you're looking for this groove here to fit into this bottom groove here. Straight in, and then a twist and push motion. To take it out, same. If they don't line up, use one of these alignment tools just to nudge it back in if you're struggling to get it in. The next bit is to release the handbrake. Then we're going to check the lights are working on the Caravan, and it's useful to have a second person, known as a spotter, to help you. We're going to do that next.
Brakes, hazards, reverse, side lights, all good.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.